At a press conference held today in the city, members of the Dorbar Shnong Tyrna Elaka had announced that the second Living Roots Festival of the village, which falls under Tyrna Sirdarship, will be held on the 7th and 8th December 2022 at Tyrna Elaka. The festival, which is part of the quasquicentenniel or the 125th year celebration of the new Tyrna Village, is being organised by the Tourism Management Committee of Dorbar Shnong Tyrna Elaka in collaboration with India Tourism, Special Purpose Vehicle Society Shillong and the Directorate of Tourism, Government of Meghalaya. While making the announcement through the media, the Sardar of Tyrna Elaka, Andreas Wansai, said that the intention of organising such a festival is to mark the reorganisation and resettlement of villagers from old to new Tyrna village after the area was destroyed and damaged by the earthquake of 1897. During the event, the Miss Living Route will be held with participants from Shillong constituency, where the first three winners will be awarded cash prizes of Rs 30,000, Rs 15,000 and Rs 10,000, informed Wansai.
Dan ini pensyai kandidat agwidi batka wei kabanta bakata kalong ba ka Shnong kan sedap sispa absen senam kajing kenria Shnong na ka Shnong ka rem ha ka Shnong ka patmai ya ka ba ngin sa rakhe karpang ya kata ka sispa absen senam ha ka nyotrek jong budai di semua mentau senam di akabedi bat kini kajing ka rakhe ka jongi kandiat ngai chukwa ban persngopi ba ka Shnong Tyrna ka di Shnong ka bangi jio so bala bana ha baro ko kari kasi cintia ya ka jing ruspa ka jongka ha ka bedi baru so pai kamtan so yantra di boleh ka di Shnong ka ha ban poi pat cha ka di ko Shnong ka ba thamai da ka Shnong ka ba ka ultrna ka ba rem ka dei hedian jong ujuai ba boleh ha ka snam khat praspa khandai punjau di Haruslam ba kalau ke jingkala ka ba sirkai ha ka ba kalau ke jingtua jongki jakasa jongki yeng beriu ke jingpra jongki yeng kisam ba ke jing kala riat kala sharing no kita ki jakasa jakasyong jong Shnong ka tha ba de nang ni ba ki beriu na ka tu ka Shnong ka barem ki sedang ban ya kri no ban ki kham chaneng ha ko pat ka jaka ka ngidon menta ka di bang ka Shnong Tyrna ba menta ka ba thambai ya ka ba in saraki sispa senam di hangni kisdang wan kio nomor kalau kerja ka bar hambiang kham nomadan bar ka kham jan ru cha kali kawan hakiyo gi hat ki ba kiju la ha ki tu ki por di kumta ki ju cha ban syong ban sa ban penong Shnong ka sa ko kani ka Shnong ku manta di sada min rakhi karpang ya kani ka sigi ha ka nyotrik jung nu na di semua kata ke jubili ke jingdak sispa senam di nakalian ke jonga kum ukli nong sensia jong ke Elaka nga simru ya kani ke kebu ban penpa ka jing sungo ia kilong dien kibala ki kilong dien kilong sua man sua kibala tristam kibala penlong kat ni ya kani Shnong bahkan long kum kalong menta na so wan ai ke jing sungo karpang ro ya kini ki nong trei kam Shnong kam thao ki sirdar ki wadat bat kumjuru ki lakhano haswa bat ki kam Shnong kam thao bat kumjuru ye ki bedang don mentak bedang ye trelang mentaru hapo ka Shnong ka thao ba ki kam ki per na so wan ai ki jisu karpang don traju ki ke jing yano senyang ki ketika kediang ketika man bat ka jing ikitlam yu ki kalong kor pelong ye Shnong hadu mentak kumba kalong kumni bat nga simru kari kabuban api syaki para nasu Shnong badan haki jaka peper haki Shnong kisah ha ki badan cabana ka Shnong ba kin sobha ban ya simantalam ban yawan ni simanta hakani ka jingrakhe ka bakarpang jong ka Shnong ka bang sispa absen senam ka jubili ya ka ba ngin sa rakhi hakan nyotarek jong nai di semua.
The Secretary of the Tourism Management Committee, W. Majau, while speaking on the festival, said that Tyrna is home to the second longest living root bridge in Meghalaya and therefore the significance of its name. The committee also intends to explore more of such tourist spots in and around the area, concluded W. Majau.
Di ngila perlong ya ka fast living room festival house nem arajar kapra hau benai Oktober hau benai November di hadirin jam tu ngila persyang hiban perlong biang hau arajar ho dan rei game simlala ban perlong nomor ka angai borok dia kan mau ya ka COVID-19 ka bala pentut perluit lu ini pat game simlala ban perlong di kumtang is ngo komen hakanika por ke klimat ke bawanta news nem bawanta ngila yo kalat ban penong ikanika second living roots festival kaba kejing tumu kejungi hi kalong ban promote ya ka tourism promote ban kentiu iki kam jo kai ha ke thika thain kejungi ka bangidan ya ka spa mariang ka bakan rei bha